Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this high curly puff. A lot of people have been asking me how I get my puff, so this is how. So my hair is dry, so what you want to do is just section off your hair, and I'm just going to soak my hair with water and I'm going to detangle. Now I'm going to be using the Wonder Curl Get Slick hair smoothie, and guys, this thing is so nice. Like, it leaves my hair so soft and it really activates my curls. So I just use like a handful of this. I am not a fan of the smell. I feel like it could have been better, but I love the product itself. It's actually made with benefits of organic coconut oil and castor oil, so it's really nice and I really think you guys should try it out. So I'm really trying to saturate each strand of my hair with the smoothie, and this really helps me to get those curls popping with my tangle teaser. Honestly, my tangle teaser is like a huge help because I don't have to do as much work, because it kind of like defines my curls for me without me using my fingers for my whole head, so that's a big help. So I'm gonna start brushing my hair up into one, and I'm gonna take my headband that I always use and I'm just gonna pin my hair up. So again, since my hair was on the drier side, I just want my hair to be as wet as possible so that I can get some definition. So I'm just spraying my hair with that. Now I'm taking my Wonder Curl Control Styling Lotion, and this thing is so awesome. It's like a jelly form. It's more like a gel, but it leaves my hair so soft. You know how like most curling gels, they'll leave your hair kind of like crispy. This one is really nice. It gives me amazing definition, leaves my hair soft for days. Like, my hair will be nice and defined for days and my curls look really shiny. So I do go in again with my tangle teaser brush and really have those curls popping, and you can see that they're really coming together when I spray the water and I add my product. Now I am just going to go through my puff and finger coil, some of the pieces that I want to be more defined. I'm just going to go around the perimeters of my puff and just finger coil those, and these really help the puff to look super defined and curly. Now I'm gonna spray around my edges with some water, and you guys know that I like my sideburns, so I always take those side pieces out and curl those up. Now I'm taking my Styler gel and I am just going to play around with my edges. Like I said, I never really know what I'm doing with them. I kind of just add like random styles sometimes, so yeah. kind of like to shake my puff up a little. It kind of loosens the curls and makes it bigger. And to make it even bigger, I go in with my shower comb and I just tease my puff. I love when it's huge. Honestly, guys, you guys should see my puff on second day hair, second or third day hair. It is humongous. Like, this is small compared to second day hair. So yeah, I love when my puff is huge. And to refresh it, I would just like wet my hair and finger coil some of the curls. But this is what I do, and I just tease it as much as I want and just shape it to the shape that I'm comfortable with. And guys, that's really it. I love these products from Wonder Curl. I love them for this purpose. It leaves my hair super moisturized and soft, so I would recommend them to you. That's really it. That's all I do for this style. If you guys liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.